8 Habits of the Wealthy. What rich people do differently. Ever wondered what sets the wealthy apart from the rest of us? What are they doing differently? It's not just luck or inheritance. It's the habits they practice daily. Today we dive into 8 habits that keep the rich ahead. We'll break down each habit and give you steps to implement them. Let's get started. Wealthy people have a different mindset. They don't wait for the green light. They've shifted from permission to control. As Chris Guillebeau said, it's easier to ask forgiveness than permission. And he's right. They'd rather take action and bend the rules than miss opportunities. This proactive approach is key to their success. Here's something that might surprise you. Wealthy people talk about money. They're not afraid to discuss finances, investments, or business opportunities. Why? Because talking about money helps them better understand the financial world around them. It's like learning a new language. The more fluent they become in the language of money, the better equipped they are to spot opportunities and make informed decisions. Let's face it, none of us have all the answers, but wealthy people, they're not afraid to admit that. They've got a secret weapon, their personal board of directors. It's a small, trusted group of advisors they turn to for guidance. Whether it's a financial expert, a mentor, or even a therapist, they're not afraid to reach out for help. Time is money. Putting a value on your hours. You've heard the saying, time is money. Wealthy people live by it. They value their time as their most valuable asset. Assigning value to every hour, they strive to increase it. This means focusing on goals, delegating tasks, and saying no to distractions. Remember, you can get more money, but not more time. Speaking the language of money, financial literacy. Here's the deal. Financial literacy is key. Wealthy people are more financially literate than the average person. They take the time to educate themselves about personal finance, investments, and wealth-building strategies. They understand things like compound interest, debt management, and asset allocation. This knowledge empowers them to make smarter financial decisions and grow their wealth over time. The long game, patience, and persistence in wealth building. Get-rich-quick schemes. Yeah, wealthy people don't buy into those. They understand that building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. They focus on long-term strategies like consistent investing, building businesses that generate passive income, and making their money work for them. Patience and persistence are their allies on this journey. The power of outsourcing, delegating for success. You want to know a secret? Wealthy people master delegation. They know their time is valuable, so they outsource tasks. Hiring a virtual assistant, bookkeeper, or personal chef frees up time and energy to focus on what they do best. Remember, you can't do it all yourself. Recharging the batteries, the importance of self-renewal. It's not all work and no play. Even wealthy people understand the importance of recharging. They prioritize self-care and make time for activities that fill their cup. Whether it's exercising, spending time with loved ones, or pursuing hobbies, they know that taking breaks makes them more productive. Don't underestimate the power of rest and rejuvenation. And there you have it, the 8 habits that set the wealthy apart. Building wealth isn't just about luck, it's about the right mindset and habits. Which of these habits will you start incorporating into your life? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, keep hustling and stay focused on your financial goals.